warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. My name is Malia. Today I'm gonna read a poem that I made by my own friends. The poem name is The Sneaky Shoes. In my school canteen I did and saw something, but I listened or complained of and child. In my school canteen I did and saw something, but I listened or complained of and child from principal's office. But when I opened the door, it was principal's shoes. Tuck, tuck, tuck. But there was not principal. So I ran to the gate, and there was a mango. I picked the mango and ran to principal's office and throw the mango. Cluck, cluck. And when I see on the rooftop of principal's office, cluck, cluck, there's a baby parrot. And on the baby parrot's foot there was a thread twisted from his foot. But then, tuck, 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 but suddenly the door opens. But the secret thing was the principal arrives. Good. I was scared, but he was happy because I found his baby parrot. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Today I have made some little rhymes for you. Let's start. One side of life is dark. One side of life is dark. But one side is shine. One side is made for us, but the other side of world is made for anyone else. On every beautiful occasion, someone is happy, someone is sad. But what to do? We have to do? We have to share each other and spread love to each other. But like this, the darkness will over and the shine will come back. Bye bye.